Remove pre-installed adapter by lifting at bottom and applying force upwards. Set universal adapter in place and apply pressure downwards to secure. Unlock cap by pressing downward on tab and sliding forward. Slide off the outer cover. Align adapter with wiper arm. Hold down prongs and slide wiper into place. Slide cap downwards to lock.
Remove the clear plastic blade cover.
Check that the wiper is secured before first use. If for any reason the wiper blade received is not the correct size or style for your vehicle, we will replace it with one that does fit, guaranteed.